Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a zipper pouch. I'm doing this because I need to do some Christmas gifting, and I wanted to do this for my daughter who is serving a mission for our church and her companion. So I thought I would kill two birds with one stone. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. All right, what you will need are two rectangles of what will be the outside of your zipper pouch, and then two rectangles that will be the lining of your zipper pouch. I'm doing 4.5 by 8.5 for mine, and all four of these will be the same size. And then you'll need a zipper for your zipper pouch. If your zipper is too long, like this one is for the second zipper pouch that I'm making, what you can do is just whip stitch right here the length that you need your zipper to be. You'll just whip stitch over that, and you'll take your scissors and just cut. You're going to want to go between the teeth of the zipper, and that will give you the size of zipper that you need. So if your zipper is too long, that's how you can adjust it. Then we're going to take one of our outside fabrics. We're going to place the zipper. This is the part where we'd open and close the top part of the zipper, and we're going to place that right side together on top of our outside fabric. And we're going to stitch right along here. All right. Okay, once we get that sewn on, we're going to take this other side here and we're going to line it up. And we're going to sew it along here. All right, and then it's going to look like this. All right, we're going to take a lining piece and we're going to sandwich that zipper in between the lining and our outer pieces. We're going to line up our edges again here, and then we're just going to sew right along here. So we're going to have it, and it's going to look like this here, and here's our zipper. So we're going to take our other lining piece and we're going to sandwich that zipper once again in between the outside and the lining. If you want to pin that, I do, you can. And then we're just going to sew along this edge here. And your zipper pouch should look like this. Let me zip this up. I move the zipper as I sew so it stays out of the way. All right, so we have this, and this is our lining. Next, we're just going to top stitch. So if you want to like press this down and press it on this side, and then we're just going to top stitch on either side here. Then our zipper pouch is going to look like this with our top stitching, so it's nice and neat. All right, so then we're going to open this up like this. So our two linings are together, and the front and back of our stuff is together. I'm going to move my zipper down just a little bit so it's not in my way. And I'm going to move all of that bulk so it's toward the lining. I'm going to stick me a pin in here. And I'm going to pin around. Do the same thing over on this side. So the zipper we're going to send toward the lining. Pin that again. just going to pin it all the way around here. And get that all pinned. And we're going to sew, we're going to leave an opening here. And we're going to sew here, down, over here, up, and come back so we leave an opening right up here. Remember that before you sew around, you're going to want to open the zipper on the inside a little bit. It'll just make it so you can turn it inside out when you're done. Once we've got it sewn, we're going to clip these corners, but just don't go through your stitching. Once you get those corners turned, we're just going to open up where our opening is that we left. We're going to take our corner, punch that out, take our other corner, punch that out, and because we've left the zipper open, we can just send everything through. And we're going to reach in and grab these other two corners that are on the outside of our bag. Get those punched out. If you want to use a purple thing or something like that, you can do that. And then we have our opening here. And if you just want to top stitch along here, or if you want to blind stitch it however you want to close that up, I figure it's in the lining and no one's really going to see it, so it doesn't really matter. But that's your choice. Then we're just going to take the lining once that's sewn, put it inside our bag. We can just zip up our zipper pouch. We have this cute little zipper pouch. Fill it full of fun little treats and it makes a great gift. You could fill it with thread and bobbins. You could fill it with other sewing notions. You can fill it with chapstick and gum and candy. It makes a fun little gift. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.